This is a beautifully loaded Ford Freestyle SEL. Has everything. The remote will open the doors right on your key. Total keyless entry. This is a all leather. Inside's great because there's the other seat, and then we'll take it down. It actually goes down into the bottom. Take the seat down. Put the seat down. This is going to be a funny video to try to do because I'm not the greatest at videos, but I am able to tell you that it is one beautiful vehicle and runs great, low miles. I'm going to show you how the doors open and close automatically. And then we'll get a good shot of the seats down in the back. You need to. And now the row seat is totally down. Can you hit the remote? Hit the remote, please. Alright, like I said, I am not the best at doing these videos, so best to come check it out yourself. Do all the doors, the bucket seats. Great car.